Hello. I'm going to go to the animation blueprint. I want to add a state machine. I want to call it player state machine. I'll plug it in here. I'm going to copy that for later. Add state. I'm going to call it idle. Add state. I'm going to call it tack. Add state. I'm going to call it run. Add state. I call it jump. Might work with jump a little bit more. I'm going to cut jump out right now. These need connected back and forth so you can go from run to idle and idle to run. Attack to run, run to attack, idle to attack, attack to idle. The entry needs connected to one of these. Idle makes the most sense. So you want to idle, you're idling by default. When I idle, I'm doing nothing. And we have the ability to go 0 speed here. Otherwise, an idle animation could work here. Attack. So I want to see if I'm attacking. I don't know if I'm attacking. Run. This will work for the animation for run. Let's see what we can do. Idle to attack. Can't tell if we're attacking. Attack to idle. Need to work with attack. How about run to idle? Let's go to the event graph. Let's see if we'll get speed. We don't need run. We can do idle to attack. Okay. This is set to 600, that's why he's moving. If you set this to default 0, he doesn't move. Go to player character. Sorry for the breathing. It's not my normal microphone. Attack, input, action event, enhanced action event. For right now, I want to create a boolean. B is attacking, question mark. I want to set. When I trigger it, it'll say true. Someone just stopped by. And when it's false, it'll tell me it's false. We get a player character event graph. I want to get that. B is attacking. You can type is attacking. I want to right click, promote to variable. Idle to attack. Am I attacking? Attack to idle. Yes, but also time remaining relevant anim time remaining. So whatever people are stopping by. When I want this to be less than or equal to, it's a fraction. So I want it to be less than or equal to 0.1 of the remaining of the animation I'm playing for attack. So 10% or less of the animation I'm playing for attack is remaining, and I'm attacking. And this is attack to idle, and I'm not attacking. So what's our animation for attack? We don't have an animation for attack, but we saw a good one. Let's look up attack. Primary attack A. Let's try this. We want to go bind is attacking. And we'll try this. I'm going to left mouse click. There's our attack animation. You can hold it down too. Alright, thanks a lot. See you in the next one.